If you are looking for the best KVM switch, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. IOGEAR 2-port 4K USB DisplayPort cable KVM Switch GCS52DP. The IOGEAR 2 GCS52DP KVM switch has amazing features that can help increase your productivity. It has a powerful full 2.1 audio system, which allows you to listen to various audios. It also supports 7.1 HD audio, so you will get high-quality audios that are clear and precise. The GCS52DP can deliver an incredible 4K resolution of up to 4096 by 2160 at 30 Hz. The remote switching feature will allow you to view different monitors at the press of a button. This KVM has an expandable USB system, so you can use a USB hub to get more ports. Number 2. UGREEN USB Switch Selector. This device allows you to share different USB peripherals with two computers. It can work with a variety of operating systems such as Linux, OS X, and Chrome OS. The switch comes with two pieces of USB cable, so you won't have to buy separate cables. This equipment will allow you to share one scanner or printer with ease. The fact that it runs on USB power makes it more convenient because you can perform various functions and work for long hours without stressing about the power supply. Number 3. TRENDnet 2-port USB KVM switch and cable kit. TRENDnet's 2-port KVM switch is an ideal choice for managing two PCs. The device is compatible with most operating systems. You can run different operating systems like Windows and Mac using the same input peripherals and monitor. It includes two KVM cables that need to be connected to your PC. The compact device doesn't require an adapter to power it. It also has an auto-scanning feature and you can use predefined hotkeys commands on your Windows PCs. The device has ports for connecting microphone and Number 4. Rosewill 2-port USB KVM Switch RKV2UC. This equipment has a simple design but is very good at what it does. When using this device, you will be able to operate two monitors using a single set of USB input devices. The hotkey function allows you to make changes by simply pressing a single button on the keyboard. The mouse can also be used when switching ports by using the scroll wheel. It will save you a lot of space since it has a compact design. This has LED lights to indicate the PC that is currently being monitored. Number 5. JideTech 4-port VGA KVM Switch. KVM Switch. The KVM switch from JideTech is USB powered, so you don't need an external power adapter to get things going. More to this, it comes with 4 KVM cables that you can use when linking the computers to the device. This switch allows you to monitor up to 4 computers with its high-quality chipset. It runs smoothly without crashing. This KVM switch uses an integrated USB 2.0 port series, which supports wireless or wired keyboard and mouse functions. The system allows you to connect speakers and microphones for an enhanced audio experience.